Hey fashion enthusiasts! Are you struggling to find the perfect pair of glasses that suit your face shape? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down which glasses suit which face shape. So how do you figure out your face shape? Take a look at your cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. These features help determine your face shape. Let's jump in. First up, square faces. If you've got a strong jawline with a forehead and chin equally wide, go for rounded and thinner frames. Think of softening those angles. Got a round face? Your forehead, cheeks and chin are all roughly the same size with soft features. Choose bold and angular frames with clean lines. Add that definition and contrast. For heart-shaped faces, with a wide forehead and a pointed chin, look for frames wider than your forehead with rounded bases. Balance is key here. If you have a triangular face, widest at the chin and narrowest at the forehead, go for glasses with wider tops and narrower bottoms. Perfect for balancing out your features. Oval faces, you're in luck. Narrow forehead and chin with high cheekbones. Square, rectangular or geometric frames will add that visual interest. Browline frames are your best friend. Lastly, diamond-shaped faces. Narrow forehead and chin with angular features. Oval, cat eye or browline frames will soften those angles and draw attention to your eyes. Remember, many specs apps let you try frames virtually using your phone's camera. Or, just walk into a store and try on several pairs to find the perfect one. So, next time you're shopping for glasses, keep your face shape in mind. You'll be looking fabulous in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips.